and it's an aircraft carrier. And all the planes take off, right? And suddenly, out of the sky, 200 zeros start straight in the aircraft carrier. He says, Jesus Christ, he says, God damn, Captain, he says, all these chaps coming out from the sky, he says. And he says, with nobody aboard to shoot them down when all the planes are left. Oh, he says, but we've got Butch down below, and Butch is fucking battle fatigue, so he goes down the aircraft carrier to the bottom, down the stairs. He gets to the bottom, and Butch is sitting there, you know, like that, drinking a gin and tonic. He's fucking pissing. He's got his battle fatigue, so he goes, cross your legs. So he crosses his leg, hits his knee, and the leg shoots out. He says, A1. So they get him up into the plane. You see, so they put him in the fucking plane, and Butch, perfect takeoff, backwards, way up to the sky. Shoots down all the 200 Japanese Zeros. So he's feeling great. He pulls the cockpit back, and the bandana's flying, fucking lights a cigar, perfect landing on the aircraft carrier. He looks up to the bridge and he says, how was that then, Captain? And the boy looks down from the bridge. He says, very amusing, American flyer. Oh, an aircraft. Very amusing, American flyer. Oh, tell that to the actors. They don't like that story, but I tell it to them. Some of them like it.